Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the mouse pointer color and the thickness in this device. So here you can see I already connect the wireless mouse to this device using this with the help of this adapter. You can see I already connected. So let me show you how to change the mouse pointer color and the size. Now you can see the mouse pointer color is white. So let me show you how to change this one. Simply go to settings. At the bottom you can see the option accessibility. Select this one. Select vision enhancement. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option pointer size and color. Tap on this one. So here we can adjust the size of the pointer and here we can select the color of the pointer. So here I am going to, first of all I am going to change the color. This one, and now I am going to change the size. So maximum this much we can set the pointer size, you can see, and this is the smallest size, you can see. So according to your choice you can easily change the color and the pointer size. So simply in this way we can easily change the mouse pointer size and the color in this device. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.